Today in front of me I have the Realme 10 smartphone, and in this video I would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So the first step that you need to take is to make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi. Then you need to launch the Google Play Store. At the search bar type in Caffeine, that's the app that we are going to use in order to be able to set the auto screen off value to never. So this is an exact application that you would like to get, so click on this green install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now all that it's left to do is to launch the app itself and make sure that the timeout section over here has the infinite value set, and as long as the Caffeine application is active in the background, so do not close it, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in the idle status. So that would be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.